G'day guys, Greg here. Now here I am up in the beautiful hills of Currumbin Valley and I'm here with my old mate Peaky. Saxophone extraordinaire, this guy.
Stop it. Stop it,
But he's also a really good cook and chef and he's been doing a bit of it over his life. And well, today, what are you going to make for us?
mate. We're going to whip up a little gourmet chicken roll.
Finished off in the oven.
Yeah.
First of all, let me show you what we're using. Well, they're actually like a toasty, but we're doing it in a hot dog bun today. So you need one of those with some butter. And to make this gourmet, we got some beautiful roast chicken here, some Jarlsberg cheese, some red onion, that's some spinach that we diced up, some avocado, and to finish it off, some beautiful spring onions. And for a sauce, we've got some aioli with some wasabi in there too. Bloody beautiful, mate.
Let's get cracking, Grego.
All right.
So I'm just going to cut these open, Grego.
Sweet as.
Try not
A centre cut.
Try not to.
Take your finger off.
Well, that, but don't crush the roll, mate.
Yeah.
Try and keep that roll nice. There we go. Look at that, Grego.
Just like a bought one.
That is, mate. Second one.
And don't try not to cut all the way through either.
Yeah, that's right, Grego.
Yes.
Now this knife
Because that'll be a sandwich then.
is not the best knife in the world, Grego.
But you've still done
We're
an amazing job.
There we go, mate. Then we're going to butter those, Grego, on each side. A little bit of butter.
Yum.
Keep the moisture in there, mate.
Yep.
Beautiful. Number 2. Look at that, Grego.
Well, a better one I haven't seen.
All right, mate. While we're here, we might do the whip up the mayo.
All right.
So we've got a bit of wasabi in there, and this is a beautiful garlic, roasted garlic aioli.
Oh,
We're just gonna. There we go, Grego. That's
Oh, look, the colour's changed.
Colours, yeah.
Looking beautiful. So next.
next. We're gonna grab this Jarlsberg, mate. We've just cut the Jarlsberg in half. We're gonna put half on that side, mate. And we're gonna put half on that side, like that. Exactly the same on the other one, mate. There we go, look at that. We're gonna add some of this baby spinach. Just sprinkle, you don't need heaps, you don't want to overdo it. A little bit more. That's about enough, mate. I don't think we need any more than that. What do you reckon, Grego?
That looks perfect.
Alright, mate, well then, you know, you can do whatever you like, but I think we'll do chicken. Yeah, we'll do the chicken, mate. We're just going to whack that down on each side. Like that, mate. You can put as much in as you want. You don't want to overstuff them, Grego.
No?
Well, I wouldn't think so, but
No.
you know.
Depends how big your bun is.
Well, that's right, mate, yeah.
It could be a baguette.
Well, yeah. I reckon that's enough, Grego. What do you think? I reckon they're looking pretty good. Maybe a little bit more in there.
Well, I mean, we've still got heaps to add on,
Well,
so
we do, mate.
that's good.
So, and then we're going to get a bit of crack pepper, mate. Sprinkle a bit of that in there. Right. Now, we want to get this mayo, mate. And we just want to drizzle that through.
I know how good this aioli tastes, and with wasabi, oh god. That is going to be good.
That's a perfect combination, mate, I think.
Yep.
Alright, that's that done, mate. Then we're going to add the avo. Now again, if you don't like avocado, or warm avocado like Gregor, you're not real keen on that, are you, mate?
Not too keen on the warm avo.
Well, let's do just a couple of pieces. I don't think we need more than that, Gregor.
No.
I think that's beautiful, mate. Then we finish it off. A little bit of red onion. Look at those colours, Gregor.
They're popping.
A little bit there. I reckon that's about enough, mate. Again, you can put as much or as little in as you want. Then we're going to put some springies, mate. Just as a little garnish. I love spring onions. So
I know you do. Had to specially stop at the shops
yeah.
just to pick some up.
Yeah, mate, I love them. And there you go, Grego. They're done and ready to go in the oven. I'll put these on the tray.
All right, well, these are going into an oven today. We've got it about 160 Celsius, only because we don't want it to burn the buns too quick, do we, mate?
Well, that's right, Grego. Like, they're nice and soft. I mean, that would even be nice fresh.
Yep.
But I like a bit of a crispy bun, mate.
Don't we all?
So let's whack these in, Grego. We'll just put them in there, mate, and we're going to leave them in there for, I reckon, maybe 10 minutes, and I think I might even turn that down, Grego.
Yeah.
Now that that's preheated, I reckon take it down about 20 degrees or so.
About 120.
Yeah, somewhere around there,
Yeah.
Grego.
Yeah.
Yeah, about 120,
Perfect.
mate.
Sounds good, mate.
All right,
We'll come back when they're done. We'll give it the old taste test.
Beautiful.
All right, well, it's been about 10 minutes, and depending on the what sort of oven it is. Fan force, mate. You got to be careful, right, mate?
Yeah, well, that's right, Grego. They're looking like they're still. I can feel they're still nice and soft in the middle, and nice and crunchy on the outside,
they look
mate.
fantastic.
They do look good, mate. And you know, everything's still sort of fresh on it,
Yeah,
which makes it
perfect.
nice. You know. So let's go with that, Grego. Whack them down there and let them cool down a bit, and then Bob's your uncle, mate, in the gob.
All right, well, here we go. Mate, these sandwiches look absolutely sensational. So, how about...
There you go, Grego. You grab that, mate. I'll put this
Thank
down
you.
here.
Yep.
I'll grab mine.
Alrighty.
All right, mate.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate. Go.
Mm. Mm. Oh.
That's pretty bloody good, Grego.
Oh. Mate, the first thing you get is that wasabi mayo.
Mm.
But it's not too overpowerful, and it just seems to just coat something in a nice little flavour.
And the crispiness of the red onion, Grego, and it's still fresh. It's not.
Yep, I'm getting that nice crispy red onion.
And of course,
There's a bit of shallots there.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
Spring onions.
Yep.
The cheese adds a nice flavour. The Jarlsberg.
Gotta love the Jarlsberg.
And the chicken, of course, and the avo. Adds this nice, delicious creaminess about it, and
Match made in heaven.
yeah, exactly.
Good one,
Beautiful,
Grego.
mate.
Thanks for
Cheers.
coming, buddy.
Mate, thanks for cooking up a delicious toasted hot dog for us.
Beautiful.
And well, hopefully we'll be up here again for some more cooking with Peaky up in the hills of Currumbin Valley on the Gold Coast.
Beautiful.
Cheers. See you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen.